Maximizing value. The importance of home inspections. Home inspections are a crucial step in home buying, comprehensively assessing a property's condition and identifying any significant issues. This examination covers critical areas like the foundation, roof, plumbing, electrical systems, HVAC, and interior and exterior structures. In detail, these evaluations reveal potential repair needs, contributing to informed negotiation on price or repairs with the seller. Understanding the inspection process for buyers clarifies the property's condition, ensuring a sound investment and a secure, comfortable living environment. A well-conducted home inspection helps avoid unexpected future costs and empowers you to negotiate better, providing you pay a fair price for your new home.